Hello Scorpio, welcome to the channel. Before I get started, I rebuke all evil in the mighty name of Jesus. So you guys, welcome. If you are new here, I am a spiritual healer, a master teacher, an intuitive reader, and an earth angel. I want to say thank you for being here today, and I appreciate your kindness as you're listening. If you resonate with this, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. Also, after this, if you want to go deeper and you want to find out more helpful information about what's going on in your love connection, I do offer extended versions of this video. So there will be another video that you can purchase, and you can play this video as much as you want and watch it as many times as you want. You will have unlimited access to stream the video once you make the purchase. So if you're interested in that, check out the description box down below. There will be a link to the extended video if you want to go deeper, uncover some secrets, and get helpful advice that's going to help you and this person connect at this time. All right, so Scorpio, let's talk about what's going on in love, first 2 weeks of July. The way you feel about this person you're interested in. You feel pretty relaxed about the connection. You feel pretty relaxed overall. You're chill, feeling really calm, and motivated by your own sense of self-love and self-care. So a lot of this attention is going on yourself. I don't feel like you're worried about anything else or anyone else. I feel like you are self-indulging and you are self-focused and self-motivated. So it's all about you. So you're not looking for more right now in love overall. I feel like a lot of you are taking the time out to love on yourself. And this is specifically for single Scorpios. So if you feel like you should focus on you, that is what you're doing. You're feeling single and fine, loving the feeling of drawing back your energy from someone and keeping things to yourself, enjoying the calmness of the air and the stillness around you. You are happy single. Cheers. Your person of interest, and how do they feel about you? This is someone who feels renewed, powerful, and beautiful. This is a person who really, even if they're a male, then they feel really handsome right now. But this is an individual who feels relaxed as well and reserved, keeping it cordial if spoken to. Otherwise, they are going with a natural flow of life, not needing any validation from you or others, and simply enjoying the single life too. So this person feels that moving on was the right thing to do, and there's no hard feelings about it. So for a lot of you who recently experienced a breakup or a separation, this is a person who is totally fine, and I think that you are too, and everything's cool. So how do you see this person? This is a person who you may see is teaching you very powerful lessons, teaching a lot of people lessons. You may see them as some type of spiritual teacher, or a person who is the head of a mystery school. And what I mean by that, because a lot of you guys would have to be really open for real to spiritual things to get the messages here today. But what it is that this person literally is a spiritual teacher, or this person is the kind of individual that can teach you lessons about yourself and others lessons about a lot of things while paying attention. This is an evolved soul. That is what you see in this person. Someone who is introducing the sacredness of all things to everyone. A person who has a voice. A person who wants to speak the word and put out the word of God. Possibly, maybe, for some of you. Others of you, it may not be that deep. It just could be a person who you see has a lot of wisdom. They're very smart. They're very knowledgeable about different topics and different things in the world. They could also be showcasing a different side of themselves on social media. So you are seeing this as a person who is able to help people let go of worn out patterns and their addictions and attachments to negativity or habits or addictions. So this can be some type of counselor, some type of therapist, or this is a person who has this spiritual frequency to be able to inspire a lot of people and help others let go of things that are not good for them. It could even be a person who is helping you to let go of things that are bad within yourself, or things that you need to let go within yourself. It could be a person like this. This is a person who is purging you of your impure intentions that you may have had toward them. This person knows that the intentions you had were not 100% pure. So the lessons that they are teaching you are because of that, for some of you. For others of you, this is someone who's able to do this with other people. May or may not be you as the target for them, but they have this ability to do this through the way that they carry themselves through the world, the things that they say and what they do. They could be a person who brings justice to situations or work in the justice field. This is seeming like a person who has a high role or a big role in other people's lives, whether it's through posting quotes on social media every day, or this is a person who is an inspirational or motivational speaker, or people just look up to them, some type of role model. This person is they have very good intentions for other people, and that's what you see. So this person, I think that you want to give thanks to this person, because this person has created a transformation in your life now, where now you are becoming or have become a better person because of them, or you're seriously thinking about changing some things because of this person. Whoever they are, this is a person who you pay attention to because of the kind of work that they do. Now, the way this person sees you, this person sees something in you that I don't think anyone else sees in you, Scorpio. This is a person that can see something angelic in you that others don't know about you, or that others never discovered about you, that others don't have the ability to see. This is a soul seer. This person can see souls, whether they're good or they're bad. This person has a gift. This is a gifted individual, a person who can discern spirits as well. So this person has the ability to see you for who you really are, underneath every facade, underneath everything that you do on the surface. They see under everything. If you say that you're feeling fine, they know you're not deep down inside. If you say that you don't like them, or you hate them, or you envy them, or there's a problem that you have with them, this person knows you're lying, and that all the way deep down to your core, you do love them. You actually do. And sometimes you can hurt people that you love because you don't know how to love. Sometimes that could be the case. For others of you, it may not be that deep. It could just be that this is a person who could see straight through you, like you're bathing in Windex. There's nothing that you can hide, because this person can actually see the real you. So this is a person who knows that there was or is something happening with you where you're going through a healing, and this person triggered it within you. This person knows that God can heal you. They know that if they have rejected you, it's because you need healing. If they have walked away from you, it's because they saw your demons. If they have stayed away from you, or if they have divorced you, or like anything that they have done, it didn't sit well with this person, because what they believe, it went against that. It's something that went against that, you guys. I'm telling you, this person felt something where it's like they didn't see you matching with them spiritually. That was the basis of everything, whether you want to admit to it or not, or whether you know it or not. I'm telling you, like, this person didn't vibrate with something. And so, but they know that you have this side of you all the way deep down inside. Like, at the core of you, you are spiritual. That's the way you were born to be. But what you have been doing in this lifetime hasn't been a reflection of what you were supposed to be. So it's something about people. Wow. It's something about people not seeing that you do have a light in you that's just not shining. The only person that I think can really see within you like this is this person. This person sees you as a person who is meant to heal other people. You're supposed to be for the good cause. And that you're supposed to protect all living things and make things pure and clean again. Make others pure and clean again with your energy or your words. This person sees you as having the ability to soothe shattered souls with when the mental and the spiritual properties have become overburdened. You're able to put the pieces back together for people. And you're supposed to assist with negative self-talk and encourage others to speak peacefully, knowing that they're never alone on their spiritual journeys. So you are like supposed to be a healer. You're supposed to be a healer. You're supposed to use your gifts to heal. And that's what's going on. So let me tell you guys, this feels like a Scorpio who is not in the right profession. Some of you are connected to archangels. It's about a Scorpio who's not in the right profession, or you didn't choose the right path. But the path that God had granted and had destined for you, you didn't choose it, or you're doing the opposite of what they know you're capable of. You have to be someone who is more of a healer or in the medical profession, or you're supposed to be using your spiritual gifts for the greater good. You're not supposed to be money hungry. You're not supposed to be greed and lust and different things of the world. You're not supposed to be doing, but you chose to. And what that has done is it's pulled you away from your divine essence. Some of you really do have a spiritual core that you resonate with, but you got involved in an industry or career or a lifestyle or a mindset or a group of friends or family or something. You may be married into a family. It's something that you have done that pulled you away from your godly mission that you were supposed to be on. And so this is a person who can see the real you. The real you underneath it all is not the person that other people can see you as. You're actually supposed to be the opposite. So if you've been pulled into darkness or dark things or has created a dark persona, that's really not you. That's really not supposed to be how you are. You're not supposed to be this mean person or hate. Like, I'm not saying that that's who you are, Scorpio, but I'm saying that this person has a perception of you where you're not living your truth and you're trying to live up to a facade of an impression, give off an impression that's not really who you are. This person can see your white angel wings, not your dark ones. Wow. So there's an intense spiritual healing that you're going through right now because of this person. And honestly, there's something about your soul that tells me that this actually makes you feel good. That's all I have. Check out the extended. We're going to go deeper. God bless.